I saw quiet period treat people because he's unsure in himself. Him unsure in himself. Yeah. Them laugh, them smile, them ill, no real.
Right now, I'm bad.
You gotta tell Arthur gift and a game. Don't gift him. Why them should I give you? Suck Old Perry. Why them should I gift you? Cause you nyam out batty, you know. Why them should I gift you? Quiet Perry have low self-esteem, low. Put on people in order for you come up. And you do it so plainly. I tell you when they sit down on the program and not chat people. You go chat people, man. When you come, when you put on people, oh, I want to be in the elite. I Britney $7,000 with TikTok take when my Quiet Perry reach over here, you know. And then Quiet Perry always have one like him did have a stable job. And from TikTok start give a dollar, look like Quiet Perry leave the work like Roger. Thank you, Pods. Thanks. Yeah, like him leave the work like Roger. No exclusive, but I'm a lie. You and I used to think say Quiet Perry work on the AC. When Quiet Perry just come on it, Lord, you can't send me one lion. I want to know how it feel. Send me a lion now. Me don't like to know. That him say. But I'm alone I tell lie. Me say TikTok expose the whole of them. Like Quiet Perry sell bottom address. It's true. You can't no care how you eat after don't tell a gifter not to gift him. Do not. No, never know Quiet Perry. The whole of them knew in a Quiet Perry. Hey, Quiet Perry now come from a place. No. And only things they might come from somewhere. You buy out World Dog first. So if you buy out World Dog, why you tell Arthur gifter not to gift him? So all along you buy out World Dog, you buy out World Dog for yourself. That's why World Dog drop back. You understand me? But me not have no feelings towards that because the same thing him do Britney, you come do him. You get what me I say? So you can imagine how much time you fight against all Swiss Lito.